Hello guys, it's Esosa here. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video. So today I'm going to show you how I made this delicious pot of stew right here. This is what I call budget friendly stew. So I'm going to be using turkey gizzard for this recipe. First, add some seasoning cube, some salt, some aromat seasoning, bay leaves, ginger powder, oregano seasoning, some paprika powder, dried parsley, and some chopped onions. Next, I'll go ahead and pour some water. So these are all the ingredients for this recipe: red bell peppers, yellow bell peppers, green bell peppers, some tomatoes, onion, and scotch bonnet pepper. So I'll go ahead and use my food processor to blend the peppers because I do not want it too smooth. I just want it roughly chopped. Next, I'm going to pour some vegetable oil in, add some chopped onions, blended pepper mix. Add some chopped garlic, chicken stock, add the gizzard, so I'm currently adding some seasoning cubes and some salt. The aroma in my kitchen right now is on another level. You don't need too much money to make a nice stew. As long as you have the right ingredients, you are good. So right about now, guys, I'm adding some chopped coriander leaf. My stew is ready. So you can pair this stew with yam, boiled yam, rice. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment. Thank you. Bye.